good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a 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 good day.
You don't like that?
Not sure what to think of that stuff, huh? Different, huh? Yeah. Have some more. Nom 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 nom. Ha no no no. Ooh, 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 what is this? Why is this in my mouth? Yeesh. Ay, 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 ay.
Ew. Okay, okay, we're done.
Bye. I love you. Bye. Salem is eating her first ice cream bar. Strawberry ice cream bar.
You don't want no more?
No, oh, we turned the camera on. You're done, huh? Nom 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 nom. That's good, huh?
Oh. Why does she always do that?
I don't know. Look at mommy's face. Pure disappointment.
I'm sad.
Every time we want to show you off to the world via camera, you... Oh, take a bite of the ice cream bar.
Who's that, Salem?
Is that Cassius? Cassius the dog? Oh, there he is. Yeah, the dog.
Cassius,
That's your
come
dog.
Is that your friend? I love Cassius. Cassius, get her. No, she spit in his face.
Hi, my little beautiful baby. Look at that. Jumping away. Yes, yes. You're seconds away from breaking your first tooth, you know that? That's why you're chewing on everything. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't give me that. Holy crap. What is that? That's terrible. It's gonna make me poop mud. Daddy changed a good day for today. She left Daddy a caca surprise. Get ourselves a little mohawk action going here. Okay. She moves to the left. Move to the right. Get her over here. Quick this way. Oh, is that good or what? Yeah, I'd probably not be enjoying that either. Somebody got a visit from the Easter Bunny. We didn't even notice this morning.
Oh no, Salem.
So we looked outside and we said, uh-oh, we better let Salem handle this one. Hi, yeah. Yeah.
Steps. She stepped on Mommy's foot. You ready? Open the door.
What is it? What is that?
What is that, Salem?
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, look at what you got outside.
What is that?
Look it. It's a basket. Frog dressed as
How did he know?
bunny. That's nice.
How did he know that you liked frogs?
Matches your room.
Huh? How did he know?
Look.
Uh-oh.
Ooh.
Wow.
You like that? Look. That one doesn't make noise. Neither does
Teething
that one.
rings. Huge teething rings.
Want you on it? Okay. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Can you say thank you, Easter Bunny, for being so nice to me on the day
Look
of
at the
Jesus' resurrection? Salem. Hi.
You
Love you.
smile.
I love you. Okay, you ready to go? Okay, so it's Easter. 2007! It's a crazy year, this 2007. I'll tell you that much right now. Alright. Thanks for coming out. Have yourself a good Easter. Bye, Salem. Love you. Bye.
Hi. Oh, hi, Salem.
Where did I lose my kid? Why couldn't I see him again? Over there it goes.
My big head one?
No, I was like aiming
Had
at
the glare
the
from your
floor.
skull, dude.
Blinded. Need to get the glare guard on your camera. All I see is red.
That's funny. That's Robert.
You ready? There's more. Yay! Yay! That's right. Yeah? That's your favorite thing in the whole wide world besides Daddy, huh? It's Daddy, that, and then Mommy. We got one sock on, and here comes the second sock. You know, spreading those toes doesn't help me much here. Uh-huh. I know. Now, let's put on some shoes. You want some shoes? These are high-fashion Tommy Hilfiger shoes. You have very expensive taste, Salem. And we tried to put some hush puppies on you, and you just didn't go for it. You kicked the shoes off with such force that the shoe hit Mommy in the head, and she hasn't been the same ever since.
Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.